Hello there. I am Melon.
And I'm Skelly.
We will teach you how to make a simple house. You will need these materials. These contain 3 brick walls, 2 long beams and 1 door.
That's a lot.
STFU. You need to make the door stand up and freeze it. I removed everything from existence except the door so we have space.
Wait, what?
I said shut up. You need to put the brick wall on top of the door and freeze it.
You forgot to mention you need the brick wall unbreakable.
What did I just say? Now you need to connect the 2 long beams to form the roof or ceiling like this.
That's a lot of space.
This might be the only time I agree with you this episode, Skelly. You guys already know what to do with the back part of the house. Let's check the inside out. Alakazam.
It's very spacious in here.
We all know that, Skelly. You can just add anything you want in here.
It's recommended you add an Edison lamp in here for decoration.
Don't forget to like and sub, and bye everyone.